we are heading out to the clamming grounds, a secret spot here in Silva Bay. Shout out to Russ and Shirley. We're not sharing the location because we would get in trouble. But it's been quite a mystery day. Let's see how it goes. So the clamming ground is quite shallow. And to lift the engine, it's switched to manual power. You have hip waders on your boat? All right, here we are anchored in our secret clamming spot. And now look, I'm going to do this as a shout out to Janice and Blaine from onboard Tangaroa, because she's always finding cool stuff on the beach. Look at this. Some kind of metal. Yeah, that's going back to the boat. That is garbage, and that's not good for wildlife. All right. Look at this beach. Off we go. All right, here's some more junk on the beach. Oh my gosh, it actually looks like a clam net. Taking that back to the boat. Garbage collection today. This is actually quite crazy. There are oysters as far as you can see. All right, Dave, tell me what's your secret.
Well, everybody, the secret is, I think you got to start with hip waders, because this is a messy job, but the idea is to find a nice sandy spot, which is what we're in right now, and you got to use a little hoe to dig it up, and then once you find them, you know, like, look at these things. They're you know, you don't have to go very far. But they're all right here. See, this guy's like, he's squirting. And you just keep digging around with your hands, and you know, they sort of feel like rocks, but they're not. They're clams.
Beautiful.
And I'm gonna make some fantastic clam chowder.
Is that the recipe in Missy Goes Boating in her book?
It is the best stuff.
White or red?
I prefer white. I know Missy prefers red.
I've always been a red chowder girl.
But look, I mean, they're just everywhere. You just gotta dig around.
So I don't have any boots on board, and I had to borrow Dave's. So our next stop, we will go boot shopping for Missy. But you know what? Sometimes you have to work with what you got. We're a day after we harvested.
Actually, we're 2 days.
2 days. Spitting out the sand.
You know, let these guys spit out the sand.
It's quite a haul.
For the most part, they've done that.
All right.
Look at that.
Key ingredient.
Key ingredient.
All right, so it's been 2 days. We let the clams spit. Now what are you doing in the galley, Dave?
Well, as you can see, I've got my clams that I boiled up yesterday and steamed, and they all opened up. I saved some of my clam juice. And as you know, I'm working off of my Coastal Galley by Missy Gervais.
That was a brutal plug.
I'm making my Boston clam chowder.
Run me through the recipe very quickly.
Oh my
What do you got there?
We've got celery, we've got onions, we've got potatoes, we've got garlic, we've got bacon. Everything's better with bacon. And of course, the secret ingredient, which not many people use, dry sherry. Gives a little nutty flavor to it. And boy, my mouth is already watering. I can't wait.
All right. Excellent. Looking forward to tasting it.
Okay.
So we invited our friends over, had the clam chowder, and it was excellent.